Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video will be seen and shared. It's Celine Driver once again, coming to you with another unboxing with a twist. Get into that in a minute. Wanted to show you this interesting little Casio watch that I picked up. So technically this is my watch, but you'll want to stick around to the end of the video because you might be interested in how you can make this watch your watch. As you may have noticed, coming into the channel, maybe you didn't, but I recently broke 1,500 or 1,500 subscribers. And I decided to do another giveaway. I gave away 2 watches at 1,000, so I figured 1,500 is a nice round figure. I'm going to give this one away. This is a Casio. You'll excuse the condition of the box. The place I bought it from decided to ship it to me in an envelope, slightly padded envelope, but an envelope instead of a box. So the outer box took a hit. This is a Casio CA-53W-1CR, more commonly known as the Databank. Nice little watch. No damage to the watch in shipping, so the watch is fine. But here it is. This is a Casio Databank. It has a calculator, dual time, alarm. It has water resistance. You will get the box, the stand, the instruction booklet in multiple languages, and so on. Nice little watch. I mean, somebody will have great time, amusement with it. You know, it's that Casio digital toughness that they're known for. And as you can see, it's it's a calculator. It has other functions too, but its main party piece, if you will, other than being a digital watch, is it has the ability to do calculations on it. I'm not going to say that somebody with big fat fingers like mine is going to be able to do it easily, but you can just switch it to calculator real quick, and you can do 7 times. You see a little little thing up there saying you're in multiplication. 7 equals. I didn't get the 7 there. Hang on. Well, you get the idea. My fingers are too big for this. But you can also, I think you can use like, if I grab a pen or something. So, no, that's even bigger. Hang on, I'll come up with something. Yeah, do this. Use the point of a pen. 7. Yeah, the hell with it. You get that. You guys know how a calculator works. Give me a break here. So, never mind. Stupid of me to try and do this on camera and bore you guys to death, right? Anyway, this watch is going to be given away. So I have my little data sheet here, my little sheet of facts. It is, as I said, the Casio Databank, model number CA53W1CR. This is a brand new watch. It was purchased off of Amazon. It's brand new in the box. I've never even actually worn the damn thing yet, and I'm not going to. The first person to wear this watch will be the person who wins it. It is a 50-meter water-resistant watch, 35-millimeter case. Let's see. It said on the spec sheet a 20-millimeter band. I guess maybe it tapers down to a 20-millimeter band. I'm not sure. But I think it's using conventional spring bars, so you can change this band to whatever you want it to be. 8-millimeter thick, so obviously going to fit under a long sleeve very easily. 8-digit calculator with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division functions. You can see that down the right side there. It does have a stopwatch function, which I think you get to by... Yeah, there's the alarm right there. Dual time, I have it set to Pacific time. And there's your stopwatch function right there. And then back to time with day of the week right there. So stopwatch, it is a perpetual calendar. It has dual time function, as you saw. It does have an alarm function. It uses the Casio quartz module 437 resin case with a mineral crystal. So obviously it's a very simple watch. Resin strap, resin buckle, resin keeper, stainless steel case back there that contains the movement. A little Phillips screwdriver, and you can change the battery out very easily. Just a nice little watch. Would make a good throw it on the wrist, grab and go kind of beater watch. One pusher to cycle between them, and then you use the different buttons to do the different things. The alarm, you can see the alarm on off there. A little smudgy there. Lap reset. If you're in stopwatch mode there, your start and your stop buttons. Date set function, that kind of thing. So, each button does multiple things on the watch. So, how am I going to give this away? Well, very simple. I'm going to post this video up. Well, obviously I posted it up since you're watching it. That's kind of a given. Once the video is posted up, if you want to be entered into the contest, all you have to do is comment down below. Anything, any comment. You could just put the number 1500 on it and be done with it. Make a comment about the video. Make a comment about another video, a question. It can be whatever you want it to be. Just make a comment below. One entry per. You can make multiple comments. That's fine. I don't care about that, but you're only going to have one entry per person. I will put those names into a randomizer, and then I will shoot another real short video at the end of the contest, and I will run the randomizer and pick the winner. The winner then has 1 day to contact me, and if you don't contact me, then we'll just do it all over again. So we'll just do it that way. So now I'm going to limit this contest to shipping within the United States. I'm not going to ship this overseas. Shipping this overseas would cost between $35 and $50. And unless you're willing to pay for that, I'm not paying $30 to $50 to ship this watch anywhere. I'll ship it within the U.S. Yeah, I'll do that later. So that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to post this video on a Monday, and I will end the contest on a Wednesday No, it ended on Friday. So when you see this go up on Monday morning, usually I put my videos up about 10 a.m. Eastern time on Monday morning. That starts the clock. Friday at noon of the same week, I'll end the contest Friday at noon, and then I'll shoot a quick video showing the randomizer, and by Friday afternoon, we'll know who won the watch. So, sound good? So, go ahead and start commenting, and we'll give this watch away as a celebration and a thank you for 1,500 subscribers. So, if you like this video, was part review and part contest announcement, please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Comments down below. Ask your normal questions, make your normal suggestions, make your normal comments, but now you're being entered into a contest. However, if you're going to troll me, or you're going to get stupid or nasty, or stupid and nasty, or just plain dumb, I'll just delete the comment. You won't be entered in the comments, and then I'll block you, so I don't have to deal with you anymore. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I really would appreciate that. If you are going to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that when I upload new content, you are made aware of it. Again, thank you very much for the support you've given me to help grow the channel. I hope you'll continue to support me. I hope you'll find other folks to stop by and encourage them to support the channel as well. Have a good rest of the day, and good luck to everyone who enters.